Hey, Chef Bridget here with Fresh from Florida, and Florida peanuts are in season. My favorite. Who doesn't love boiled peanuts? If you don't, you need to. Follow freshfromflorida.com has that recipe and this recipe that we're about to make. Florida boiled peanut hummus. Serving it with some Florida vegetables. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get started on these peanuts that we just boiled in our Instapot. And if you don't have an Instapot, you can boil them in the traditional way. It's a really good source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. Has your carbohydrates, your fat, your fiber that you need every day. Who doesn't love hummus? It's a great dipper. It goes on sandwiches, whatever you need it to go on. It's very versatile. It's good for you. So we said, okay, well, let's make a hummus, but add Florida peanuts to it. Everything just literally gets dumped into the blender. Hummus is pretty forgiving as far as controlling the amount of liquid that, other ingredients that you put in. So I'm gonna eyeball this. This is some Fresh from Florida barbecue sauce that I found. A little bit of this, a couple tablespoons. We'll call that 3 tablespoons. Here's something that you might not expect in hummus, but a little bit goes a long way. So literally just a couple of drops of this, not much at all. My favorite seasoning, it's another Florida product, Everglades. I use it on pretty much everything I cook. So a couple of shakes of that. This is not in the recipe, but who doesn't love a hot sauce in anything? So a couple shakes of your favorite hot sauce go in. And the main ingredient, besides Florida boiled peanuts, is tahini, and I'm gonna get a spoon to get this out with. 2 to 3 tablespoons of that go in. I like it kind of garlicky, so I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic and a couple shakes of liquid amino acids. A little goes a long way. This is a good soy sauce substitute that I like to use. And then the other ingredient that makes a really, really good hummus is the zest of a lemon and the juice of the lemon. And I'm just using a strainer to catch the seeds. And now it's time to blend it all together. All right, so we gave that one final blend, and now it's going in your serving dish. And it can pour out, but I have a spatula to help it along. Be great as a base for salad dressing. That'd be really, really good. And why not a little drizzle of olive oil. All right, so we're finished, and I'm serving it with some delicious Florida vegetables and some crackers that I found that I like, and some extra boiled peanuts, because who doesn't like Florida boiled peanuts? But feel free to serve it with your favorite vegetable and your favorite bread, and your family is gonna love it. I know you're gonna love it, and happy cooking.